Welcome back. Now, in most cases, page building systems have their own countdown timers built in to their builder. However, you can also use a WarriorPlus countdown timer for a specific product within your offer. What we would do is go into the offer, and we can choose any product where we want to use the countdown timer. Let's assume here that we're going to use it for the front end offer. So what we're going to do here is get the code. And what you're going to see at the very top is you're going to see a tracking link, a no thanks link, and a countdown timer. And you're going to see that you're going to add the countdown timer code to your page. You can preview that code by clicking this area. Now, if you click the link and you see a blank screen, that is because there's no time sale associated with the timer. We're going to need to go back to the offer and create a time sale. So we're going to close out of this area. What we're going to do is we're going to go inside of the product and we're going to edit the product. And we're going to change the sale type from a dime sale to a time sale. And we can do that by going to this menu, and we can make it so that the price change will be based on number of hours. So once we change the parameters, we're then going to click Save. We're then going to come back to our offer screen. We're then going to get the code. We're then going to go back to our countdown timer. We're now going to click Preview in order to see the countdown timer. And the countdown timer will now appear in the preview. So now what we need to do is we need to get the code and place it on our page. And we can do that by getting the code and copying it and then heading to our sales page. So we're going to go inside of our page builder. We're going to place the code in for the countdown timer. We're then going to click Insert. And our countdown timer will now be associated with the parameters that we have set up with our specific offer in the time sale. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.